సతానా ఆడ మా పేరున్నది, మా సర్నేమ్ ఉంది ఆడ, కవాడే అని చూపించాలనా? అంత ఫాస్ట్ పోవద్దు, మెల్ల పోవాలి, చదివేటట్టు ఉండాలి. కింద రాసింది. With Constitution Committee member Begum Aizaz Rasul and official Sri S.N. Mukherjee. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar with Maya Sahib in Mussoorie. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar delivering lecture on the eve of Buddha Jayanti in New Delhi on 20th May 1950. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as a Labour Minister in British Council in 1942. Imagine the depth of knowledge he must be having to be a minister in British Council. That's Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar inspecting ceremony at Milind Mahavidyalaya with Mai Sahib, Principal M.B. Chitnis and Vairale. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and others at Windmill premises at Aurangabad. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar at his residence 26 Alipur Road, Delhi on his birthday. Dr. Ambedkar with his followers. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar inspecting construction work progress at Milind College, Aurangabad. He travelled nook and corner of the country, covering all the states. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar delivering lecture at Buddha Jayanti function. Behind him, Shankaranand Shastri. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and Mai Sahib with his followers in Delhi with Shankaranand Shastri. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar engrossed in reading at his huge library. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar renouncing Hindu religion and converting to Buddhism on 14th October 1956 at his sacred place at Nagpur, which is considered as the biggest religious conversion of the world. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the architect of Indian Constitution, was congratulated by Dr. Rajendra Prasad, President of India, after receiving newly drafted Indian Constitution from him. Those were the austere leaders who were doctors in their respective fields. Can imagine the present politicians. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar with renowned fighters of Mahar Battalion of Indian Army. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar inspecting land at Nagsen 1, Milind College, Aurangabad. Intellectuals, visionaries, statesmen, such were the politicians who have drafted our constitution. Present state of affairs shows the degradation in the quality of leaders at the helm of affairs. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar discussing with Hindu Pandits in 1950 behind P.N. Rajbhoj. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar reaching Ashoka Buddha Vihar, Delhi for Buddhist prayer with Shankaranand Shastri. No differences, no sides, no bias, no partisanship, respect for all are equal. That is what our constitution. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, greeted by farmers and laborers. Here is the most iconic picture, historic and significant one. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar with Mai Sahib, Vaman Rao Godbole in left, and Pandit Reva Ramji Kawade, that is my surname, Manoj Kawade, on the right. This was a revelation which has been pointed out by my friend Subhash Raula. After converting to Buddhism on 14th October 1956 at Nagpur, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Mai Sahib, Mukund Rao Ambedkar, Yashwant Rao Ambedkar, Dr. Wali Sinha and Shankaranand Shastri. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, before delivering lecture at Nagpur on 15th October 1956 with Mai Sahib, behind Balu Kabir and Samata Sainik Dal commandos. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar delivering Dhamma Diksha speech at Diksha Bhumi, Nagpur on 15th October 1956. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar with Shankaranand Shastri and Mai Sahib. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar in thinking mood at Dhamma Diksha, the sacred place, Dhamma Diksha ceremony at Nagpur. After Nagpur Diksha ceremony on 14th October 1956, Dr. Ambedkar with Scheduled Caste Federation activists, Advocate Haridas Awale, Advocate N.H. Kumbhare, Barrister Raja Bhau Khobragade, Vaman Rao Godbole, Pandit Revaram Ji Kawade and others. Kawade, the prominent surname, warriors. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar with Maha Stavir Chandramani, Bhante Shraddha Chisa Sangat Ratna, Bhante Pragyanand Sumed and others. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar with Samta Sainik Dal commandos, Mai Sahib, and on the right, Pandit Revaramji Kawade again. Kawade has become an inseparable part in his fight and struggle for bringing the society on equal. On the occasion of Diksha ceremony at Nagpur on 14th October 1956, sitting on the dais are Mahastavir Chandramani, behind Nanak Chand Rattu, Vaman Rao Godbole, and once again Pandit Revaramji Kawade. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar delivering lecture on Buddha Jayanti ceremony at Delhi on 20th May 1951. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar bowing before Lord Buddha at Nagpur Diksha ceremony on 14th October 1956. This date is a very significant date, 14th October 1956. Buddhist conversion speech of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar at Diksha Bhumi, Nagpur. Sadanand Fulzule, standing behind with others, need to retrieve that speech the day he delivered on 15th October, the day after his announcement of renouncing Hinduism and converting to Buddhism. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar delivering lecture at Diksha Bhumi, Nagpur on 15th October 1956. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, before giving Diksha of Buddhism to his followers, 14th October 1956. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar accepting Dhamma Diksha from Mahastavir Chandramani along with Wali Sinha, Revaramji Kawade and Mai Sahib. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar after Diksha ceremony at Nagpur behind Mai Sahib and Samta Sainik Dal commandos. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar with bhikkhus and his activists at Diksha ceremony at Nagpur. Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar renouncing Hinduism and accepting Buddhism at the Mahastavir Chandramani at Diksha Bhumi, Nagpur. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar delivering lecture at Diksha ceremony. Below Vaman Rao Godbole and behind him Sadanand Phulzele. B.R. Ambedkar bestowing 22 vows to his lakhs of his followers at Nagpur, 14th October 1956. On the occasion of Diksha ceremony, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar preaching Dhamma to his followers. Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar addressing mass gathering at Diksha Bhumi, Nagpur. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar giving 22 vows after renouncing Hinduism at Diksha Bhumi, Nagpur. On the 15th of October 1956, the Nagpur Municipal Corporation organized a felicitation program of Dr. Ambedkar. Then Mayor R.P. Samarth addressing the audience. On his left, Mai Saheb Ambedkar, Nanak Chand Rattu can be seen behind. At the Corporation Town Hall, Mahal, Nagpur, in the first row, Bhante Chandramani along with other Bhantes. In the following row, Bhante Sumed. Beside him, Deputy Mayor Sadanandji Phulzele, Secretary to the Param Pujya Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, Smarak Samiti, Diksha Bhumi, Nagpur. Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar with Mai Saheb and Chanan Ramji standing on the left. This is the end. Last slide. Parinirvar of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar on 6th December 1956. Present Mai Saheb, U.N. Devar, Union Home Minister and other family members. A great loss to the nation. An irreparable damage as the destiny would have it. Thank you.